Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I thought it would be fun to show you guys a what I eat in a day video, but I'm also going to just take you guys along our day with us just a little bit, kind of do a slow down with all the fall decorating and just catch up with you guys. So I hope you guys are having a great start to your weekend. It is Friday. I'm so excited. So I'm in here with Brooks in the kitchen and we're about to do some schoolwork. He's only 3, so he's not doing technically homeschool, but I do like to do a couple little pieces with him in the mornings usually, or at least at some point every day or every other day. So I've also started the Faster Way to Fat Loss, and my coach is Brandy. I will have her link down below. She is great. She's so helpful. Brandy has made it so easy to learn how to count my macros, track macros, totally changed my mindset on eating and what I should be eating. I'm actually eating a lot more than I was, and my body feels great. The Faster Way is based off of nutrition, sleep, exercise. So I have been doing some exercises and it feels so good. There are workouts on the Faster Way app that I've been doing and they are so good. They are kicking my booty. But this morning I walked 2 laps around the neighborhood, and then this afternoon I'll do my Faster Way workout. Anyways, let's go ahead and get started with our day. But if you guys are here for decorating videos usually, make sure you go check out my Fall Clean and Decorate with Me Part 1 that went up this week, as well as some fall DIY projects that also went up as well. So I'll have both of those videos linked down below. And on Monday, part 2 of my Clean and Decorate for Fall is going up. So stay tuned for that. It's gonna be so exciting.
Listen up, I gotta tell you, there is something you should know.
For coffee in the mornings, I'm trying to do intermittent fasting. So I usually eat in an 8-hour block window. So either 10 to 6 or 11 to 7, or sometimes even 12 to 8. That's whenever I eat. So I'm breaking my fast. It's now 11 o'clock and I'm going to have some coffee. So I've got a shot of Nespresso from my Nespresso machine. It's the cold pod, so it makes a little amount. It's perfect for cold drinks. And then in that, I'm going to put in some Vital Proteins collagen peptides. I've been using this for a couple months now and I love it. I can tell a difference in my hair, in my skin, and my gut health. So I'm gonna do 1 scoop of that right into the coffee. I'll stir it up, and then I'm going to add some Premier Protein Shake, and I'm gonna use that as my creamer to kind of sweeten it in the vanilla flavor. So I get these at Sam's and you can get them pretty cheap, but I think Target has it as well. And this protein you can get at Target, and I think Walmart might carry it now, I'm not sure, but I usually just get it from the website. So I'll just pour in about half of a Premier Protein, and then I'll save the other half for tomorrow. I'll mix all this up and then I'll add ice, and then it'll be good to go. And it's so good, gives me a little kickstart to the day. Just finished my workout. Whew. It was a upper body arm workout, and let me tell you, my arms feel like jello right now. So love the workouts on the app. I forgot to film it, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see some workouts. I'm gonna try to start posting like some sped up versions of it so you guys can kind of get a feel for what we're doing, but everything is just hand weights, resistance bands, and body weight. So it's really easy to do. I didn't have to go out and buy anything, but nonetheless, the workouts are really good. So I am drinking my water. I just fill up a big Yeti type of cup and just drink water all day long. It helps me feel full. Whenever you're counting macros, you get so many grams of carbs, so many grams of protein, and so many grams of fat per day, and you try to hit those goals. So that's what I'm doing. I find that if I plug everything into MyFitnessPal the night before, then I can kind of map out what I'm gonna eat. I already know what I'm gonna cook for dinner, and having a plan is a total game changer whenever it comes to being mindful of what I'm eating. So that's what I'm doing. I've only done it for, let's see, this is Thursday and I started it on Monday. So far it's been really good. And the first day, honestly, I didn't do that well. Really didn't hit it as well as I thought I did. But the next day I was able to tweak it and I did so much better. And I feel great, you guys. I have so much more energy. I'm able to get sleep at night, which before I would try to stay up and do all the things and I would be so tired, but I just pushed through and I was only allowing myself like 5 hours of sleep. And our bodies need so much more than that to function, which I know it sounds silly, but whenever you're just going all the time, it's really hard to prioritize sleep. So anyways, getting sleep and not staying up until like 2 or 3 a.m. editing a video or doing whatever, it really has helped me so much. I'm gonna go grab a quick snack and I'll show you guys what I'm eating. All right, so for a quick snack, I love getting these turkey sticks. I get them from Sam's and they're only, I think, 70 calories. Yeah, 70 calories each. They're low carb. They have a little bit of fat in them, but really not much, but it has 6 grams of protein. So it's a quick, easy little snack to have. And then I'm also going to have 1 cup of grapes and I just washed them off, good to go. But another thing that I love to have for snacks is this granola from Purely Elizabeth. So good. My coach Brandy actually told me about this, and this is a great way to get in healthy carbs. So this has 19 grams of carbs, 6 grams of fat, and 3 grams of protein. And it's so good. It's sweetened with coconut sugar and it tastes so good. So highly recommend using this in bowls. If you're gonna make some sort of bowl, you can add a nut butter with it. I love just natural peanut butter that has nothing added, just peanuts and salt. Mix that in. Those are so good. I actually got a new peanut butter to try. I think it's like a honey cinnamon peanut butter in one of the packets from Target. So I'll see how that is, but this is such a good snack option. And what I do is I put in all my food for the day so I know what I'm eating, and then I can just go back and see what I'm eating, make sure my grams are good with my macros. That way I can just see what I'm gonna eat and I don't have to do any planning. So that has been a total game changer. All right, now let's make dinner. We are making some meatloaf tonight. It's a really simple recipe, so I will have the card here if you guys want to screenshot this and make it yourself. But first, I'm going to set the oven to 375 degrees, and then I'm going to prep my meatloaf. What's great about meatloaf is it doesn't take a lot of prep work, so I'm just cutting up a green onion. I'm going to use a small one. You can use as much or as little as you would like. And then I'm going to mix everything together into a large bowl. So I'm going to put my green onion in there. I'm also going to put half a sleeve of saltine crackers. You can use as much crackers as you want, but I put the recipe into MyFitnessPal as half a sleeve of crackers, so that's what I'm sticking with. I'm also going to add in 1 egg, and then 1 can of tomato sauce. I had 2 cans just to see if the consistency needed it, but it was good. And then 2 pounds of ground beef. You could also use turkey if you wanted. And then I'm adding in some garlic powder and salt and pepper to season it. And then I'm going to take this mixture and just mix it all together with my hands. Then I'll put it in an 8x10 baking pan. Make sure to spray the bottom, and you're just going to form a loaf. You can make it whatever shape you would like. And then to top it all off, I'm going to add strips of bacon to the tops and the sides. And then I will also add ketchup to the top of that, as well as salt and pepper. And then I'm going to stick this in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour, and I ended up doing it closer to an hour this night. So you just have to keep an eye on it, but it's super good and very easy. Now I'm going to start on our side, which tonight it is garden corn, fresh off the cob. I just cut all of this and froze it. That way we could have it all winter long. But I quickly wanted to mention my new pots and pan set from Caraway Home. Oh my goodness, these are the nicest pans I have ever had. They come with organizers for the lids. They also come with organizers for your pots and pans that are magnetic, and they lock together so they hold your pans up really nicely. They fit perfect under the cabinet. They also came with some hot pads, and here are the pots and pans on the stove. So basically, Caraway Home is on a mission to craft well-designed, non-toxic ceramic cookware that thoughtfully raises the standards of what you cook with. So their products are mainly designed to make your life easier and healthier, and I totally agree with that because I feel like it totally changes the taste of our food. Nothing sticks, everything cooks very quickly, and I am just in love with these. So if you guys want to get a set of pots and pans for yourself, I have a $25 off code right now that starts today and lasts until September 4th. So make sure to check out the link down below. All right, dinner is all done. I'm going to let this cool for just a minute, and then I will go ahead and serve it up and we will have dinner. All right, just cleaned up dinner. It was so good. I love meatloaf. It's such a great meal with lots of protein, with the egg and the meat. So good. And I was able to have 2 servings to fit in my macros. So 2 servings, a little bit of corn, and I am stuffed. So really good meal and easy meatloaf recipe. But I did want to mention something came in the mail today, and I am really excited about it. So I ordered a little journal from the Faster Way to Fat Loss just to track my measurements, track how I'm feeling with it, and my progress. Every day it has a worksheet that you can fill out saying things you're grateful for, your overall mood, stress level, how many hours of sleep you got, water. And then it also has check marks if you have tracked your food, if you've ate whole food nutrition, if you tried intermittent fasting and completed the workout. And then it also has room for notes and then daily victories and things you want to work towards the next day. So I went ahead and filled out all the days that I've done so far, and I'm really excited about that. But the last thing that I'm eating today is a little Bobo's pumpkin spice oat bite. Oh my word, these Bobo's oat bites are amazing. I have loved all of the flavors I've tried so far. I've tried chocolate chip and now the pumpkin spice, but I've seen that they have an apple pie and they also have a coconut one. So I have found some at Home Goods and I've also found some at Kroger. So really excited about these. They're made in the United States. They are all whole grain nutrition. They're gluten-free, vegan, non-GMO, and they are so good. If you guys like Little Debbie pumpkin delights, but you don't want all the calories and the bad stuff in them, try these pumpkin spice oat bites. They are so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and have this as my last snack of the day, and I'm going to cut off my eating at 7 o'clock since I started at 11. So I'm drinking my water. I can still have water, tea, unsweetened tea, and black coffee if you want during those fasting hours. But that's gonna allow my body to process everything that I've eaten throughout the day and break it up, and I'll be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this what I eat in a day. Hopefully it gives you a little bit more insight on what I'm doing with the faster way. And if you guys do want to join in on the faster way, get a hold of Brandy. I'll have my link down below if you guys want to sign up. She starts a new program every 3 weeks and it's a 6-week long program. So anybody can do it. You guys will love Brandy. She's an amazing coach. I have loved getting to know her, learning from her, and just seeing her transformation inspires me alone. So really excited. But if you guys are new, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on all of the home decorating and the fall projects we have going on. If you haven't seen my recent videos, we just shiplap some more areas in our home, and we have done some little renovations that I love so much. So if you guys want to follow along, make sure you subscribe. Tag me over on Instagram if you're watching today's video, and if you decide to try out any of these meal ideas, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.